Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am ZuluMama and today I bring you a very exciting part of being Zulu. Ukusina, the Zulu dance. Zulu dance is an integral part of a Zulu culture, often performed during various celebrations, ceremonies, and rituals. The dances are characterized by energetic movements, rhythmic footwork, and powerful body movements. Zulu dance is deeply connected to the spiritual and cultural life of the Zulu people, expressing emotions, storytelling, and honoring our ancestors. So today you would know exactly what is Zulu dance. I have given you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do a Zulu dance. Please check out the description on the link below because I'll put a link of that tutorial and then you can try it on your own. But today I am going to give you some key features of Zulu dance. Zulu dances often involve rapid, rhythmic foot stomping, shaking, and body movements. The dancers frequently move in cycles, mimicking animals or nature in their movement, and the dance reflects strength and unity. Zulu dances are performed during important events such as weddings, and that is umgaqo or in so initiation ceremonies, and lots more ceremonies. And it will be done also within a household. When we are happy, we Zulu dance. And it's also performed during traditional community gatherings. The dances also honor ancestors, seeking blessings, and it just brings us joy to be doing our Zulu dance. And during ceremonies or performances, the dancers will wear traditional Zulu attires, which includes the beadwork, animal hides, and colorful clothing. Accessories such as cowhide shields, spears, and feathers often complement the outfit, enhancing the visual and cultural impact of the performance. And now we come to a very essential part, the drums. Drums are an essential part of the Zulu dance. The rhythmic beats of the drums guide the dancers and help communicate various emotions from joy to sadness. Zulu dance serves as a way to bring the community together, fostering a sense of belonging and cultural pride. It is an expression of identity, storytelling, and unity. Zulu dance is rich in variety with different styles used for specific occasions, each reflecting unique cultural values, storytelling, and community spirit. Each dance style is a celebration of Zulu culture, and the movements not only tell a story, but also express the emotions, the strength, and the unity of the community. Overall, Zulu dance is a dynamic and powerful expression of the Zulu people's culture and heritage. It plays an important role in preserving and promoting our traditions, while also serving as a source of entertainment and social cohesion.
Sondela ngembathe mntanami, sondela ngembathe mntanami, sondela ngembathe mntanami. Hey!
I would love to give a special thanks to the photographers and videographers who never miss a chance of capturing our Zulu tradition. We have come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of isiZulu language, culture and traditions. Ngiyabonga. Nisale kahle.